Just pulled the starboard and port transom end caps off, and got to expose the wood totally gone, delaminated, rotted. Get all that out there. Same thing on the ports. This is very important, guys, that you don't put these boats on the water with these rotted transoms, because that engine will rip the back of the boat off. It's not what you want. So get at me. I'll get you together. This is a 1984, 1983 21-foot Starcraft open bow center console. Got my marine grade plywood here. Epoxy resin, the whole 9 yards. So we got what we need to get the job done. Stay tuned.